Welcome back. Shalini Mittal here from Tech Gatha, and this video we will see linear search. What do you mean by searching? Consider you have an array A with these 5 elements. Now I want to search, say S is equals to, and a value to be searched is 5. So I want to search if this array consists of value 5 or not. We all know that array works on indexes. So if I want to look up for any element in the array, we use index. Linear search implies you have to linearly or in a line search for this element. If it exists, fine. If it not, goes to the next element. No, go to the next element. We found it. Please stop iterating because now we have found the element we were searching for. The linear search doesn't require your elements to be sorted. Secondly, you search elements sequentially. Now we all know that for iterating over the array and getting access to every element in the array, we use a for loop. So here as well, we'll have a for. We'll have a variable that starts from 0. It goes till the length of the array and I++. What I need to do, I need to search whether first element is equal to the element to be searched. How do we do that? Using conditional statement, that is if. So I'll say if a of I is 0, is equal to the element to be searched. If it's true, do something, else continue for the next element. Now if I found the element, I'm going to keep a variable flag which will be initialized to 0. If I found the element, I'm going to change the value of flag to 1 and then I'm going to exit the loop because if I found the element, I don't want to continue iteration. Definitely after this, we'll check the value of flag. If in case the value to be searched is in the array, my flag becomes 1. If the value to be searched is not in the array, say for example, this is 15. 15 is not in the array, I'll never enter the if block. My value of flag will never change to 0. If my value of flag is 0, that means that particular element is not present in the array. Let's go ahead and see the implementation of the same in Bluej. So let's see the implementation in Bluej. I have declared a scanner object, an array of size 5, a loop that basically asks the user to enter the elements in the array. Let's just write a for loop and let's display the elements in the array. So it remains the same and just instead of this, we'll be doing a of I. If you compile and if you execute, I enter the elements. You can see the elements in the array are 3, 7, 9, 10, 1. Let's implement the linear search algorithm. We'll have a variable S and we will be taking the input for this from the user. So I'll ask the user enter element to be searched. Right? Again, we'll have this for loop and inside the for loop, we'll also have a flag remembered. So we'll have a flag initialized to 0. We will be saying if element in the array is equal to the element to be searched, yes. We change the value of flag to 1 and we break the loop, right? Then we are going to check if flag is equals to 0, that means element doesn't exist. So we'll just say if flag is 0, element not found. Else we'll say element found. That's it. We'll compile. Let's execute and see. I enter the array 3, 1, 8, 10 and say 7. So 3, 1, 8, 10, 7. I want to search for an element, say 10. It says element found. Let's run it once again and now I enter 10, 2, 16, 100 and now let's enter the element, say 101. It is not in the array, so it should display element not found. So that's all about linear searching. I hope you enjoyed learning and next video we'll be doing binary search. Till then, happy learning, take care and bye-bye.